Chinatown Tigers. I am making this video to try to show you how to log into Google Classrooms. You can log into Google Classrooms via desktop or via an app on the phone, okay? So I'm going to show you both ways how we can do this efficiently, quickly, and correctly, okay? So I am going to send you a login, a district login for your child. My district login is madeline.carter@jpsschools.org. So it's going to be your child's first name dot your child's second name at jpsschools.org. And this, as you can see, this is all linked in to Google. So he or she will also have a Google email account, Google Drive account, all of this to assist with his learning, because this is going to be from now until the end of his time in school. So that's a long time, right? We're only in first grade. We have about 11 more to go after this. So I'm going to press next, and then I'm going to send you a copy of he or she's password. And it's going to look like this. Your screen will look like this. If you have multiple children in Jefferson Parish Public Schools, you're going to have multiple email accounts. So I'm going to go to mine. It's going to ask you if you want to remember it. I would remember it if it's a personal computer, but not remember it if he or she shares it with a brother or sister. And then it's going to be the password that I sent you. So we're going to enter the correct password. Now it asks me, you're going to put yes or no. I would put no if it's a shared computer. So I'm going to press no, or yes if it's a personal tablet, something that he or she uses on the daily. So verify it's you. You will probably have to go through this process. You press continue. And now it's giving me my Google Classroom. Now my classroom is going to be different from the classroom of your children. They were all invited to Miss Carter's first grade class. So I just want to go ahead and point out that Coach Travis, their PE coach, also has a Google Classroom, and he will be uploading exercise videos and exercise tips, healthy tips that they can follow while we're under quarantine, and for next year as well, because this isn't going to go away. And then our ESL coach, Mr. Assad, has his own. Now this might be beneficial because he will be putting reading material, and we can all use help with our reading material. So let's go ahead and go to mine first. I'm just going to quickly show you what my Google Classroom is going to look like. They're going to be invited. I have a virtual welcome message. And you can see one of my students already signed up, and he left a comment. Hi, Ms. Carter, thank you. I would like all of your students to leave me a comment, or all of your children to leave me a comment on the welcome video once they get it set up, so I know that they are using it. Now, from there, I'm going to be putting our daily challenges on here if you need to print it. I'm also going to be trying to include classwork, reading material, things like that. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Remind. I'm very available. Let me just show you what this looks like on the phone really quickly before finishing the video. I'm trying to make this short and easy because it was a lot for me. So I'm going to put it on my phone. Now, I have an iPhone. This will probably work on any type of smartphone that receives application. I have this button that says Google Classroom. I click my button, and you can see that it has my class right here. Now, when you click the class, you can definitely access this virtually. Now, just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.